Okay, welcome to the class again. See, in this class, let us work out one more example here. So, you can expect this question for 5 marks in part D. Okay, this is also a question carrying 5 marks in part D. So, let us read the question here. So, what is the question? Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if the matrix is given as 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So it is a square matrix. See here we have to find out a square, then 5a 6i. See here I is given. So what is I here? I means we know it is an identity matrix. So it is a square matrix of order 3. Okay, so we have to consider the identity matrix of order 3. So let us work out one by one. So here first we have to find out a square. Okay, so consider here. So I will consider a square. See, a square means, so the given matrix is multiplied 2 times, a into a. So what is our matrix here? 2 0 1 2 1 3, then 1 minus 1 0. So this is a. So let me write that matrix again here. 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so a into a. So let us multiply it repeatedly here 2 times. You have to multiply 2 times. Okay, so then see here. So first row, then first column. See, try to understand this row and column. See, 2 into 2. So I will write it directly here. See, 2 into 2, that is what? 4. Then we can write the sum 0 into 2. See, 2 into 0, that is 0. Then you write the sign as plus. 1 into 1, it is 1. Okay, after writing this step, so you leave some space here, then you write here. See, same row, so you go for second column. So what I should write? 2 into 0, that will be what? 0. Then plus 0 into 1, so this one is over. So we have to see this 0 1 minus 1. So 2 into 0 0, then 0 into 1, that will be what? 0. Then 1 into minus 1. See here, 1 into minus 1, that will be what? Minus 1. So then we have to leave some space. Then see here another column is present. So first row, third column. Then you observe 1 3 0 here. See, 2 into 1, that is what? 2. Okay, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Then 0 into 3, plus that is 0. Then plus 1 into 0, that will be what? 0. So this ends my first row. Similarly, so this is, I have done it for first row. Then we have to concentrate on the second row. Okay, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So in this way we have to do it. So 2 into 2, that will be what? 4, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 3 into 1, that is 3. So you write here 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. See, minus 1 into 3, that will be minus 3. Then this one, see here 2 into 1, so that is what? 2, plus 1 into 3, that will be what? 3, plus so 2 plus 3 plus it is 0 here. See, second row, see 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 3 into 1, 3. Then 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 into 1, that is, see 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 3, 3, plus 3 into 0, 0. So then, we'll consider the last row here. So we'll write the elements here. So along with the product. So what is this? 1 into 2. So 2. See, 1 into 2. Then minus 1 into 2. That is what? Minus 2. Plus 0 into 1. That will be what? 0. Write it here. So then, so second, see here, second column. So third row, second column. 1 into 0, 0. Then see, minus 1 into 1. That is minus 1. Then plus 0 into minus 1. It will be what? 0 only. Then 1 into 1. It is 1. Then minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Then plus 0 into 0, it will be what? Plus 0. So this step is very, very important here. So you can write it directly after practicing the problems here. Okay, let me make it simplification here. 4 plus 1, it will be what? 5. Then 0 minus 1, it will be minus 1. Then 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2. Then we have to add all these. So this will be what? 9. Then 1 minus 3, it is minus 2. 5. Then 2 minus 2, it is 0. Then minus 1. Then 1 minus 3, it will be what? Minus 2. So it is a square. Okay, so I got this a square. See here, a square is calculated. Next, I will consider this 5a. Okay, 5 is the scalar. So let us write it here. Consider 5a. See, we can multiply any matrix by scalar. 5 is a scalar. So 5a means what? 5 times. So what is the matrix given here? 2, 0, 1. A is, I will write the matrix A. That will be in the question here. See, 5a. So multiply every element by 5. So what I will get? 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 5 into minus 1, it is minus 5. 5 into 0, 0. See, it is 5a. Okay. Then see here. This one is over. Then 6i. So let me write 6i. So what is I? I is the identity matrix. Then I can write, then consider 6i. See, 6i means identity matrix of order 3 cross 3, because given matrix is order 3 cross 3. So what is identity matrix? Meaning of identity matrix? So all the diagonal elements should be 1. So I can write this as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. See, all the diagonal elements are equal to 1. Such a matrix is called identity matrix. So now what we have calculated here? See, we have calculated a square, we have calculated 5a, and we have calculated 6i. So what is the given equation here? So we can write this. Consider, so a square minus 5a plus, so we have to calculate this 6i. See, this a square, so what is the matrix? We have calculated 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. So this was a square minus, see, 5a. So what is this 5a? This entire thing what we calculated is 5a. So I will write that matrix here. 0 5, 10 5 15, 5 minus 5 0. See, this one is this. Then plus, see, this is 6i. Okay, so 6i means, so here 6 into identity matrix, so we have not multiplied here, so we can multiply here or here only. So okay, I will do it here. So 6 into 1, that is 6, 6 into 0 0, then 0 6 0, then 0 0 6. Okay, this is 6i. So I can write the same matrix here. So what is that here? 6 0 0 6i, that is 0 6 0 0 0 6. Okay, so we can continue here. Okay, so this is the first matrix, this is second matrix, and this is the third matrix. 6i, 6 into I. So 6 1s are 6, 6 zeros are 0, then 6 zeros are 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Okay, then see here, corresponding elements. We have to consider the corresponding elements. So that I will write it here only. See, corresponding, what are the corresponding elements in the 3 matrix? I will write it here. 5. So corresponding element of 5 is minus 10, then it is plus 6. See this, 5 minus 10 plus 6, then minus 1. See, minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. Then another corresponding element, see here, 2, 5 and 0. So that is 2 minus 5 plus 0. So similarly, you consider the second row here. See, 9, 10 and 0 is there. Write the signs here. 9 minus 10 plus, you can write this 0. Then minus 2, see here, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Then see here, 5 minus 15 plus 0. So corresponding elements. So we'll Consider this last row here. See 0, 5, 0. 0 minus 5 plus 0. Next minus 1. See here minus 1. See observe this minus 1 minus of minus 5. See minus of minus 5, that will be what? Plus 5. Then corresponding element is 0 plus 0. Then last one is minus 2. See here minus 2 minus 0. Then plus 6. So these are all the corresponding elements. So now we can simplify it and write the answer in this step here. See 5 minus 10 plus 6. So that 5 minus 10 is what? So this 5 minus 10 plus 6. See 5 minus 10 is, so we can write it directly, or I will write 5 minus 10 is what? Minus 5 plus 6. Then minus 1 minus 0, it will be what? Minus 1 only. Then 2 minus 5, it is minus 3. See minus 3 plus 0, that will be minus 3 only. Then 9 minus 10, it will be what? Minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5, it is minus 7 plus 6. Then 5 minus 15, it is minus 10. Then it will be minus 5. See minus 1 plus 5, it will be what? 4. Then minus 2 plus 6, it is 4. So this minus 5 plus 6, it will be what? 1. Then minus 1 minus 3. So minus 1. Then minus 7 plus 6, it is minus 1. Minus 10. Then minus 5, 4, 4. So this is the desired result. Okay, so we can make these simplifications and write it directly. So I have shown in detail here. So 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4 4. So this is the required answer. So question is, see find a square minus 5a plus 6i. I means identity matrix if the given matrix is 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so you can practice this and write down the solution and try to understand the multiplication process correctly.